I had some friends who had come through here and they had just said it was so open and inclusive and fun, and it just sounded what I wanted to do.
Just offers a really kind of friendly vibe, small classes, good lectures, stuff like that, you know.
They have the best reputation in New Zealand for our nursing students. They are so highly sought after students. So it's my first choice.
So I'm more of a practical learner, so I like learning in person and like more of a classroom environment rather than lecture theatres.
Came here for an open day and I went to go into architecture, but I walked into the wrong room, and just the way the lecturer kind of explained it, I fell in love, and now I'm second year studying it.
The atmosphere that it gives off, it's very inviting and just full of great people.
I think because how specific and how detailed the course was, I think it was just seemed to be a perfect fit for what I wanted to do.